Hey, it's Megan from meganplus5.com, and I just want to show you guys today how I make my 1x4 wooden tags. So first you want to do is cut your pieces into 5-inch sections. So I'm using a Ryobi sliding miter saw that has a laser. Once you have your pieces cut down to 5 inches, you want to move your cutting surface to the 45-degree angle. And then I always double secure it, make sure that it locks in place when I move it, and then I turn the little swivel knob on the bottom to make sure it's double locked in place. And I measure in 1 inch from the right hand side on each side of the top of my tags, and then I flip it over when I measure the second side because I like to cut on the right hand side. And then I line that little 1 inch mark up with my laser on my saw, and then I just cut that line so that it's at a 45-degree angle cut on the corner right there. So once you have that piece, that corner cut on one side, then you flip it over and you do the same thing on the other side. You line up that little dot with your laser and then you just cut it. And to make the hole in the middle of the top for your twine to go through, just measure halfway. I think it's like 1 3/4 inches. Make a little mark, and then I used a 5/8 of an inch drill bit, and then just drilled a hole right there in the middle. And then just finish your wood tags off by giving them a light sanding. And I just use a 120 grit sandpaper with my Ryobi sander. And if you don't have the time or the materials to make this project happen, you can just head on over to my blog, meganplus5.com, and shop my DIY craft kits. So I do hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you are notified whenever I post another tutorial. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.